We're just going to season our eggs with pepper. All right. A little salt. And this is to taste, guys. All right. And we're just going to scramble them up. I'm going to show you how to make fluffy eggs. Just mix this real nice. You want to get all together as much as possible. Vegetable oil and some butter for flavor. All right. Let's let that melt down nicely. Now the butter is not going to burn because we put some oil in there. Okay guys, as you can see, it's cooking on the edges, so you just pull the edges in. Right, there you go. Just pull the edges in when it cooks on the side. All right, just pull the edges in, guys. You want to get that wetness dry. Okay, and this is a good time to add your milk. Yes, add your milk. Make it fluffy. Wow! Look at this. What did he do? I'm going to make fluffy eggs. Look at that. Mix it around, blend it in. Watch it incorporate. All right, we're making fluffy eggs. Let it cook. Yes, that's what you want. Wow, nice and light. Don't be shy. Wonderful, fluffy eggs. Let's dry this out nicely. Wow, look at that. You can add cheese if you want. Absolutely. This is a good time to add some cheese if you wanted to. We're making some nice fluffy eggs. Look at that. See that? Okay guys, this is it. Fluffy eggs. Let's serve it up. Those of you that are first to my channel, please like and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.